Hiya! So I thought I'd do another tutorial on this channel. This one's going to be a piano tutorial for the song Don't Start Now by Lipa. Let's head over to the piano and see how it sounds. Okay, so here we are at the piano. This is what it sounds like. So yeah, it's quite simple. Let's do the first chord. So the first chord is an E flat major 7, so it's like this. So we've got a G flat, a B flat, a D, a C flat and a B flat in there as well. So that's the first chord. Let's move on to the second chord. Okay, so here's the second chord, guys. So this is a D flat minor 9. So we got a D, obviously. We got a B flat, a C sharp, an F sharp, an F, and an A in there. Yeah, and that's about all there is to it. Alright, so if you enjoyed that tutorial, be sure to leave a like on the video and hit that subscribe button if you really enjoyed it. I'm going to be making more tutorials and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much. See ya. Bye.